Hi. Okay, so this is my brother. His name is Tobias and he's 25 years old and he's living in Copenhagen with his girlfriend. He's studying to become an architect and working as a tour guide at a small Danish adventure traveling agency. So he told me about this thing called Fjällräven Polar, and it's a dog sled expedition in the northern part of Scandinavia, and he really wants to go. So I've decided to make this application video. He will need a lot of votes to make the cut, so I hope you will go to the Fjällräven site and vote for my brother Tobias.